Having issues with your Blink Floodlight camera? This video will guide you through fixing common problems related to power, motion detection, and the Blink app. We'll cover the most effective solutions, drawing from the latest updates and user experiences as of late 2025. Is your camera not turning on or constantly losing power? First, check the battery level in the Blink app. If it's below 20%, recharge or replace the batteries. For battery-powered cameras, recharge or replace the batteries as needed. For wired setups, verify the voltage is 12-volt DC and ensure the connections are secure. Consider using solar panels for continuous power. Also, ensure your camera is within 100 feet of the sync module. Blink's Power Boost feature optimizes battery life in low-light conditions. Experiencing too many false alarms or no motion detection at all? Adjust the sensitivity settings in the Blink app. Mount the camera 8 to 10 feet high, angled downwards at 15 to 30 degrees. The camera uses PIR technology to detect heat signatures. Utilize AI filters in the app to ignore non-human motion. Make sure nothing is obstructing the view of the camera. Having trouble with the Blink app? Start by clearing the app cache to resolve potential glitches. Next, enable all necessary permissions, including camera, microphone, and location access in your app settings. Ensure you have a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, as this frequency provides better range for your Blink devices. Log in using your Amazon credentials for seamless integration with the Blink ecosystem. If connectivity issues persist, reset your sync module and camera by holding the reset button for 5 seconds each. Many issues stem from outdated firmware on your Blink Floodlight camera. Ensure your camera is running the latest firmware version, such as version 4.1.8, released in Q4 2025. Check for updates directly in the Blink app to resolve connectivity and performance issues. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Keep in mind, this will erase all your settings, so only proceed if other solutions haven't worked. Blink's app includes automated troubleshooting wizards that guide you through fixes in real time. These AI-driven tools can significantly reduce support tickets. Additionally, some models feature predictive maintenance, alerting you to potential battery failures 24 hours in advance. Cybersecurity best practices help protect your Blink Floodlight camera from unauthorized access. Enable two-factor authentication on your Blink or Amazon account. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code in addition to your password. Regularly update your camera's firmware through the Blink app. Updates fix security vulnerabilities and improve overall protection. Consider using a VPN for added security, particularly if your camera is connected via wired setup. A VPN encrypts your data and hides your IP address. Stay aware of recent data breaches affecting smart devices. If your data is compromised, change passwords immediately and monitor your accounts for suspicious activity. Covered common issues and fixes for Blink Floodlight cameras. Remember to focus on power, motion detection, and app connectivity. Looking ahead, expect AI to play a bigger role in predictive maintenance and reduced false positives. Sustainability trends include 100% solar-powered models. As of late 2025, Blink is rated highly for affordability, starting at $99.99, but face criticism for intermittent app crashes, prompting Amazon to invest in cloud infrastructure upgrades.